All right, everyone, welcome back to all you KASPA holders here. We're going to update it really quick. So, from the last time we looked at it, we're still holding on to our 21-day EMA for support here. And the one thing I want you to notice on the chart, we still may get this, 618 to point 0.5 retracement. If you notice, the 618 here is at 3.2. If we adjust the fib, it kind of tells a different story here. If we go down to this low to the high, you can see we're sitting right on the 236 and the 21-day EMA for support at 4.2. And our zero point 0.5 retracement takes us down to that 3.2 level. So we have 319 here. So from that low to that high, we still may be getting our little discount on KASPA here. We may get a zero point 0.5 retracement here. As of now, it is macro bullish, but in the short term, it's turning bearish here. So if we do end up getting our zero point 0.5 retracement, we're looking at a 26% drop down to the 0.5 at this 3.2 area. So that's kind of what I'm looking for right now. That would be a great price to add to our position on KASPA and still be bullish, for a bounce and a push higher, a nice healthy, pullback, and then we can start going sideways and up again. But we may never get that, we don't know. So watch 4.2, you lose 4.2, your next stop is a 3.82 at 3.67, and then that 3.2 area here. If we get a bounce at where we are right now, of course, at 4.2, then we need to get back over the top here at 5.2 for about a 22% move. And then we have our 5.5 area at that next red line, about a 30% move. And then we have 6.2 to the upside at about a 45% move. So just kind of keep an eye on all these prices for KASPA. Like I said, on the macro scale of things, it is extremely bullish. It has one of the best charts I've ever seen. And I do think it's going to go beyond the moon next bull run. So looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, they were red, tried to go green, back to red here. It does have a little shadow on top. So it's kind of just sitting on support, and it's kind of indecisive at the moment. So the best thing you can do is just kind of keep an eye on these support levels here, which there is a lot of support because we do have our EMAs almost right in line with all of these levels here. So we may get that 0.5 retracement down to 3.2, and we'll see how it plays out. Other than that, there's nothing really else going on the chart. I did want to point out the 15-minute chart here. So in the short term, the bearishness that I see here, you can see how this thing is just lower lows and lower highs, and it's just kind of dropping here. So I am kind of expecting KASPA to have a little pullback here. So once we lose 4.2, I'm looking at 3.6 to DCA a little more. And if, the gods be willing, the 0.5 here at 3.1 and maybe even a 6.18 retracement to 2.7 here. We'll see how it plays out, but if it hits any of these price targets, not financial advice, but that's where I'm going to be loading up, and mega loading up if it does end up coming down here. But, we'll just see how it goes. But as for now, we're good. We're bullish still from the high to this low here at the 236. And if we hold that, we may bounce and fly out of here. I do not know. But we'll leave it at that for now. Not financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.